Hello students, today let's do the word problems on multiplication. How can we find out whether a problem which is given is a problem on multiplication? If the cost of one is given and to find the cost of many, we have to do multiplication. From the question we have to make out what is asked in the question. If it is a question in which the cost of one is given or the number in one box is given, from that to find out the number of things in many boxes or number of things in cost of many things. What to do? We have to do the process of multiplication. We can see these questions given here. Exercise 5.3, question number 1. A wristwatch costs rupees 721. How much will 215 such watches cost? Here we can see the cost of one is given. Cost of a wristwatch means cost of one wristwatch is given, and you are told to find out the cost of 215 such watches. It means cost of one is given and you are told to find out the cost of many. Here we have to do the process of multiplication. Now we can see what will be the statements. We know that half mark goes for the statements and the half mark goes for the process what we are doing. Now what will be our statement? First is 721 rupees. What is 721 rupees? It is the cost of a wristwatch. It's the cost of a wristwatch is equal to rupees 721. Next is the statement for 215. What is 215? This is the number of watches. We can write number of watches is equal to 215. Now the last statement comes for the answer what we are going to find out. What is the question? How much will 215 such watches cost? So the statement will be cost of 215 such watches. Cost of 215 such watches. How will you get? 215 multiplied by 721. And we have to do show the process also, then write the answer, and your answer will be in rupees. Okay, we can do the next question. One box contains 526 sheets. How many sheets are there in 376 boxes? One box contains the number of things in one box is given. From that you are told to find out number of things, number of sheets in many boxes. If a question comes like this, what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. Now what will be the first statement? Number of sheets in one box. Number of sheets in one box. Now what is 376? 376 boxes. So we can write number of boxes is equal to 376. Now comes the last statement and answer statement. What will be that? Therefore, here from the statement itself, from the question itself, we can find out what is the last statement. Therefore, number of sheets in 376 boxes is equal to 526 multiplied by 376. When you multiply, we get the answer. Okay, we have to show the process of multiplication also. Let's do the next question. Question number 3. Mr. Amrit saves 875 rupees every month. Mr. Amrit saves, बचाते हैं. How much rupees? 875 rupees every month. How much money would he save in 136 months? Here also his saving in 1 month is given. From 1 to many multiplication. His saving in 1 month is 875 rupees. Now next is we have to find out how much he will save in 136 months. Then what will be the statement for 136? What is that? That is the number of months he saves, or only write number of months is equal to 136. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out how much money he would save in 136 months. Then first statement comes 875 rupees. Money Mr. Amrit saves in every month, or money he saves every month. Then second statement 136, what is that? Number of months. And the third statement, money he would save in 136 months. 136 multiplied by 875, or 875 multiplied by 136, and our answer will be in rupees. Now we can do question number 4. A toy factory manufactures 389 toys a day. How many toys will it produce in 365 days? Toy factory means a factory which makes toys. Here a toy factory makes how many toys in a day? 389 toys in a day. Number of toys produced in a day, manufactured in a day. Then from that we have to find out how many toys will it produce in 365 days. From 1 we have to find out many. So what to do? What will be the first statement? 389 toys. What is it? It's the number of toys a factory manufactures in a day. Next statement, what is that? 365. We can write number of days. Now, third statement. What is the third statement? Therefore, toys it will produce in 365 days. For finding out what to do, 389 multiplied by 365. When you multiply, we get the answer, and that is the final answer. Okay, hope all of you understood. The remaining word problems we will do in the next class. Thank you.